President Donald Trump's administration is supercharging its immigration enforcement with AI surveillance tools, raising serious privacy and civil rights concerns. From facial recognition and robotic border patrol dogs to social media scanning tools run by private firms, AI now plays a central role in identifying, tracking, and arresting immigrants. Programs like Catch and Revoke, launched by Secretary of State Marco Rubio, use AI to monitor foreign nationals' public speech with over 300 visa revocations already. Immigration agencies are also using algorithms to map family trees, track locations, and justify deportation actions. But critics say the systems are flawed and often target US citizens in error. Data sharing between federal and local law enforcement under revived 287G agreements expands access to AI-powered surveillance tools, giving thousands more agents the ability to act on potentially faulty data. The results, a digital dragnet that civil liberties groups warn could impact every US resident, not just immigrants.